today here with Dinh.
Hi.
Alright, so we we have filmed part 1 previously, so if you haven't seen part 1, click on the link in the description box. I have put in the part 1 first, and then this is the part 2, so behind the scenes where we get to know Dinh's cabin crew experience and interview experience.
And my bubble tea love.
Right, so can you tell us your educational background?
My educational background is events and hospitality. So yeah, I studied that in uni, and here I am as a flight attendant.
Wow. Right, what sort of jobs did you have previously?
I've always been in events. So you know, started off as a waiter at restaurants, then moved over to events. Made my way up to event supervisor, team leader, manager. Did a little bit of event planning. I've also worked in hotels as well, pub lounge, front office, as well as a little bit in human resources.
So I guess you didn't always want to be a flight attendant?
I did.
You did? Okay.
Yeah, when I was younger, I guess. We were flying on Alitalia to Bangkok. I just guess the smell of jet fuel and just watching flight attendants walk up and down. Working in hotels, we would have flight attendants stay, so you know, coming and going. I think that fueled my fire.
So we made it to the barbecue shop.
I'm craving this.
Yeah, it looks good. Alright, so my first question is, how many years of aviation experience do you have?
I've got 30 years. Only 3. Third year of flight.
Okay, wow. That's pretty good. And then how many airlines have you worked for?
2. 2 in Australia.
2 in Australia.
2 in Australia.
Does that mean there's more overseas?
I don't think there will be, but then you never know what the future holds. So.
Yeah. Tell us your journey of becoming a part of cabin crew.
I applied online, and that's the trend nowadays where everyone applies online. So I did that, and you submit. I submitted my documents, and it's pretty much in stages. So they do progress you, and they do ask further information. You know, you go through a lot of steps to get to the final day. And
yeah. Would you say that you were successful in the first time round, or did you have to apply multiple times?
First time round for my airline.
Everyone's gonna hate you. Give us a catwalk. Walk like a model.
Walk like model. Pretty like model. Standing still.
Can you tell us how you dealt with interview rejections, or if you were not rejected, can you tell us about you being on active hold?
I've never experienced rejection.
Everyone's gonna hate you.
But with active hold, it's a really long waiting process. Depending, you know, it can be up to a year and a half. So I get impatient. So you know, I do like to check weekly to see how the application's going. It tells you online, you know, what stages you're at. But then sometimes, you know, I guess it's just best to forget about it, or put it right at the back of your mind, and then you know, you always get an email or notification or a phone call if your application has been processed. I guess when I first applied, I kept checking, but then I was like, whatever. I didn't check up on it, and then yeah, let it come naturally.
Can you tell us how you prepared for cabin crew interviews?
Cabin crew interview?
Yeah.
I researched online, watched YouTube videos. it's just one of those things where you don't know what you expect. But I guess you just go to the assessment day or the interviews with an open mind. You have to be adaptable. So, role play. Just be friendly and be nice to everyone and smile.
What are we doing today here?
We are going out for bubble tea reviews. Is that what we're doing? Yeah.
Yeah. Ready to double check what we're doing.
Ready?
Yeah. Tell us what you got today.
Welcome to the diabetes corner today. I have to go in deep to get the flavour, like right deep down. Oh yeah.
And thank you for watching part 2 as well. We are now finished with Dean's series. If you haven't so already, go and subscribe for more content like this with flight attendant interviews. If you'd like to get to know Dean a little bit more, I'll leave his Instagram right here. Thank you so much for being part of our series again, and we'll see you on the next video. Sayonara! And the shout out of the week goes to Kuro-san. Thank you so much for liking and watching all of my videos. By the way, your DP is very scary. Which anime is that from? If you want to be featured in the next video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on my latest video. And I will see you in 2 weeks' time.